Today I want to see how much duct tape it would take to tow this truck with that truck.
Duct tape.
Duct.
The truck that we're gonna tow with is a brand new F-150. There's not a single piece of rust on it. The tires are brand new, so we're not gonna have problems with traction. As you can see, there's no rust on it. It's basically brand new. It has like 1,300,000 trillion miles. The other truck that we're gonna tow, this is a brand new as well.
This is brand new.
It has these tracks on it, has good traction, and it doesn't go into neutral or gear or anything. So we're basically gonna have to pull it while it's in park. So first I'm gonna start with 10 layers of duct tape.
Duct tape with a T.
I'm just gonna wrap it around the hitches and see if that works. Now I have 10 layers of duct tape around the hitches. I'm gonna go give it a pull and see if it even moves.
Just pull it forward and then back it in.
3, 2, 1. So 10 layers broke right off. Now I'm gonna do 100 layers. This is 50 layers right here. I wanted to do 100, but 50 layers seems to be strong, so I'm gonna try 50 first. This is really, really, really strong.
This is really strong.
3, 2, 1. Oh boy, it's not breaking yet. Oh, the tires are slipping. Oh, it's so hard. I'm gonna go and try again. So this is our 50 layers of duct tape. I think it's time for more duct tape. And now I'm gonna do 100 layers of duct tape.
Duct tape.
33, 34, 79, 80, 99, 100. Man, this is really so strong. Let's see if it holds my weight. This is 100 layers. Easy, 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 easy.
Easy, easy, easy.
3, 2, 1, go. The brand new blue truck has brand new tires that don't have brand new traction. So we're gonna use this brand new winch with that brand new battery. Yeah, this is a very secure hookup here. Everything is hooked up, the rope to the truck and to the winch. The winch, it's tied up to the tree with some brand new chains.
This is brand new.
Getting tight. Okay, let's give it a go. 3, 2, 1. Not sure what's happening, but something's happening. No way that tape is still holding up. What's actually pulling it? Ah, the tape broke. Tape broke. This is 100 layers. And they broke. Oh man, this is so hard. How did it break if it's so hard? I think we need to try like 150. Easy, easy job.
It's an easy job.
Now how am I supposed to take this off? That's not coming off. I need it to come off. Right now. Whew. Oh boy, 150 layers. Let's go. 149, 150. So this is 150 layers. Yeah, boy, this is so strong. That truck is in neutral, that truck is in park. Let's give it a go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the yellow truck is kind of moving. It's pulling it. Yes, it does. It's pulling it. Look at this tire.
It's flat.
Okay, so I'm gonna push the button and look. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. 150. Oh, okay. Too early. How did it break? There's no way. How in the heck did it break? Ah. To answer the question we had at the beginning, how many layers of duct tape it takes to tow a truck, I would say 150. This truck wasn't parked, that's why the tape broke, but it was pulling it. It moved it for like a few inches. But if it would have been not in park, like in neutral or something, you can tow with duct tape.
Duct.
Look at this thing. It's so big and it's so heavy. I wonder if it's able to break a window. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, let's go again. Huh. You're kind of disappointing. Yeah, it wouldn't break the window.